This tutorial will teach you how to animate character rigs, pose to pose, in Blender. I will create a simple quick-step animation to demonstrate the process. First, go to the Armature Object Data tab. Activate X-ray. This will make the armature visible through the mesh. Now, go to the pose mode. Select all the bones, press the I key and set a LocRotScale keyframe. This will be the initial pose. I want this pose to be the final pose, as well. So, I will open the dope sheet. In the dope sheet, we can see the keyframes set for all the objects in the scene. Here we have the Suzanne's head object and its keyframes. Here we have the stickman's armature and its keyframes. Click the top keyframe marker to select all the bone keyframes for the stickman's armature. Press Shift D to duplicate. Now this pose will be both the initial and final pose. Hold Alt and scroll the mouse wheel to move to a different frame in the timeline. At the 5th frame, I will create the first step of the leap. Because I am using an inverse kinematics rig, the process is as simple as moving the IK bones to the right position. After creating the pose, press the I key and set a LocRotScale keyframe. Now, we have the first main pose for the quick step. On frame 11, I will create the second main pose. I want the character to land with the same foot he started with. Now we have the main poses set and the in-between frames are interpolated. Now, on object mode, I will set a LocRotScale keyframe on frame 1, for the armature object. I will set the final position to be a few steps forward. It still doesn't look like a quick step. I will select a middle frame, move the armature up in the Z-axis and set another keyframe. Now it looks like a simple quick step. Of course, you will need to create more complex animations, involving more bones, to make the animation look more fluid. Anyway, I make tutorials almost every day. Subscribe.